mo tayo doon. What's that color school?
Welcome aboard. You're riding one of the largest glass hydraulic passenger elevators in the world. As you look forward out into the Great Hall of News, you can see our giant atrium screen and a Belljet Ranger news chopper. As we pass the third level, look out the back. You can see our master control room. All of the Newseum's videos and interactives are controlled from there. Directly above Master Control is our 9/11 gallery, which features the broadcast antenna from the North Tower of the World Trade Center. You will exit at level 6, where you can enjoy the Today's Front Pages gallery and our Pennsylvania Avenue terrace. If you have any questions, a visitor service representative will be glad to help. Enjoy your visit, and thanks for coming to the Newseum.